Laws you absolutely need to know. This is the Fabrics of Law podcast. The age of maturity law. Turning 18 means you're an adult. Once you hit 18, the law officially sees you as an adult in almost every state. That means you have full legal rights, full legal responsibilities, and your parents no longer have automatic authority over you. This change happens instantly. There's no transition, no grace period. One day you're a minor, the next day you're fully accountable for everything you do. And trust me, the system does not treat you gently after that. Your parents are no longer liable for your actions. Liability. When you're under 18, if you break something, get in trouble, cause damage, steal, or rack up bills, your parents can be held financially responsible. But once you're 18, that all changes. If you crash a car, damage property, get into a fight, cause an accident, hurt someone, or get sued, you, the adult, are the one responsible, not your parents. And courts don't care if you just turned 18 last week. Legally, you're an adult, period. You can be sued, just like any other adult. Once you're 18, you can be sued in civil court for breaking a lease, unpaid bills, car accidents, breaking a contract, damaging property, owing money, or causing injury. Your parents can't protect you, step in, or be held responsible. You will be named in the lawsuit. You will own the money. You will get the judgment on your record. It's a big shift most 18-year-olds aren't prepared for. Your parents lose legal access to your life. Another huge change people don't talk about is that once you're 18, your parents no longer have legal access to your medical information, your school records, your grades, your bank accounts, your decisions, your location, your legal trouble. Well, some of those you can give them, but doctors can't talk to them, your college can't talk to them, and police don't have to call them. It's a legal wall, and it goes up the moment you turn 18. You're now the one signing forms, you're the one making decisions, and you're the one responsible for the consequences. Once you turn 18, the financial responsibility fully shifts to you. The world opens up with credit cards, loans, apartment leases, car notes, contracts, and phone plans. But the reality is anything you sign is 100% binding. You cannot come in and butt in saying your parents didn't know, or I didn't understand, or can I undo it? If you sign a gym contract, student loan, or rental agreement, it's legally yours. And if you don't pay, it hits your credit, not your parents. And parents are not required to support you. That's the part people hate, but it's true. If your parents do support you, congratulations. But they're not legally required to give you money, provide food, give you a place to live, pay for your college, cover your expenses, or support you financially in any way. Some choose to, some don't. But legally, the obligation ends. You become responsible for your own survival. Moreover, when you turn 18, you don't get every right. This confuses a lot of people. You still can't drink alcohol until you're 21, buy tobacco in most states until you're 21, rent a car until you're 25, and pay lower interest rates until usually mid-20s. However, there aren't all restrictions though. Turning 18 gives you real freedom too. You can vote, sign contracts, get married, live on your own, make medical decisions, control your own money, open credit cards, travel without permission, apply for loans, join the military, and make your own legal choices. In the eyes of law, you're a full adult with full independence and full accountability. You gain freedom, you gain power, you gain control. But you also gain responsibility, liability, and consequences. Turning 18 is more than a birthday. It's a legal transformation, and understanding it can protect you from mistakes that can follow you for years. That's why this law matters. It changes everything. This is the Fabrics of Law podcast on laws you absolutely need to know. And trust me, there are many more. So stay tuned for the next episode.